Hey everybody, I'm just starting from a different path at Point Pinole Regional Park. Just showing you a different view. This is the view adjacent to the second parking lot. You can see trails up there, restrooms, parking. This park closes at 5, but the gate closes at 5, but it's actually open until 10 p.m. That's the curfew. So let's hit a trail. So today I'm going to take the trail that leads to the pier. I believe once we get down that trail, I can turn right and head toward the beach. Let's hit it. Nice, quiet, awesome day. Good way to relax.